Mikey's a bitch.
So it's completely different. The way you
คือหงุดหงิดกระดิกหางแต่ว่ายังเอามือ
Normalize you not touching my charger. Oh, those are my Cheetos. What are you doing? Oh, oh, oh. Oh no.
Spoil them and teach them things like Kevin.
Ah!
Meow. Meow.
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
And you're gonna be a nice big sister. Yes, you are.
Are you okay?
Spicy. Hey, Spicy.
I am already so proud of you.
Are you gonna pray or someone else is gonna pray?
Jeez.
Stick on the ground, and now I'm gonna use it.
Don't do it! Oh no! Oh no!
There to guard the fleet overnight in the event there was anything other.
You fucker! One kitty.
Come on.
You guys. Oh, Taco. Oh, Frank.
No! No!
Oh, that's good.
So, I found something. Hey,
Look at me, I'm talking to you. Thank you.
No. They are my chicken nuggets. No. Ow! Macaroni turns one. Ow.
Asshole.
Hello!
That's bad. Don't.
Hey, come here. Come on.
What the heck?
Why you sit on?
Titingnan mo yung guidelines na nung binabasa ko. Let's say, for example, kung private vehicle,
Кошку нападала на нас.
In autumn.
she looks so fucked down.
Pussy.
Para de me lamber, eu não peguei o cachorro, não. Eu não peguei os dois.
Ow. To you too.
Não. Why did you do that?
Lagi begitu tuh foto.
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Get ready.
Ow. Huh? Ice, ice, baby.
Не надо.
Tell me you have a golden retriever without telling me you have a golden.
Oh. To you too.
You apologize right now, Yeti girl.
Опа-на. Ты чё боишься? Oh, I bought this one. She's in there again.
It's gonna make it. Stop, you're scaring me. You're scaring.
Did you just do that by himself?
Yep.
What are you doing?
Tres.
Семен, кто?
Seriously, this cat's a little stupid.